Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insider, and today we'll be doing a review of the uh, car which is Tesla Model 3. Let's begin with the review of this car. So first of all, exterior features. There is rear boot, a rear side wing door, automatic headlight and wipers, LED third brake light, satin black exterior trim, automated high beam assist, auto dimming power folding and heated side mirrors, LED rear lights, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, rear electric windows, body colored bumpers, electric front windows, and automatic dimming rear view mirror. Let's go to the interior features of this car.
Interior features: single front passenger seat, 12-way power adjustable front seat with lumbar support, rear center armrest with two cup holder, center console with storage two cup holder and armrest, type 2 cable, glove box, lockable with illumination and four USB-C ports. Interior floor mats, front compartment with sliding lid, seat in black steel plates, metallized scroll wheels on the steering wheel, seat controls in graphite finish, driver and front passengers sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors. So isofix child seat anchor points, 40 to 60 split folding rear seat, the two zone climate control, tinted glass roof with ultraviolet and infrared protection, power adjustable steering wheel, three seat benched in two rows, front head restraint, a heating steering wheel, rear headrest, map.
Yes. So now as we continue with the security includes keyless driving and keyless entry with the wireless phone charging and dash cam. Now, as we head into the remote central locking, and we have also the immobilizer and the alarm. Now let's head into the trim.
When you go to the trim of this car, the trim is premium open pore wood decor. And when you go to the entertainment, what are the entertainment things in this car, which is Tesla mobile app, 15-inch touch screen, audio system with 8 speakers and limited immersive sound. Then you get music, FM radio and media over Bluetooth connections, and media storage, DAB, DAB, digital radio, DVD systems, audio remote control, and steering wheel mounted controls. Let's go to the driving convenience of this car.
Driver convenience, power left tailgate, software update over Wi-Fi, electric assisted door, front and rear door, custom driver profiles, voice activated controls, steer by wire technology, e-call, speed limit recognition, adaptive steering, traffic sign recognition, front park sensor, service indicator, bliss, blind spot information system, reversing camera, lane departure warning system, rear parking sensor, adaptive cruise control, mobile telephone preparation, trip computer, navigation system, and power assisted steering. Now let's go to engine, drivetrain, and suspension.
Yes, now as we go for the engine, drivetrain, or suspension of the Tesla Model 3, we get to know that it's having the Tesla mobile connector, including the domestic adapter, which is British 3 pin, and it's Type 2 connector, which is the 11K watts max, and it's CCS charging connector with 170 k watts max, and it's rear wheel drive. Now let's head into its passive safety.
So when you go to the next point, which is called the passive safety, which is the last point talking about this car, the points are anti-lock brake system, electronic stability program, automatic emergency braking and collision avoidance warning, and 3 into 3-point rear seat belts. Then six airbags, which is driver, front, passengers, curtain and side airbags. Then you get the next like which is tire pressure monitor, electric child locks, ESC, which is electronic stability control, plus the traction control, electronic stability programs. And that's all with the review of this car, which is Tesla Model 3 2022, price and specifications we have said.
Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more about the Runway GT2 Explorer Master Edition, click over here. And my name is Jonas.
My name is Johns.
And Nathaniel, and see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.